Okay, welcome back to Between the Keys. Another pop song for you today. Forget You by CeeLo Green. Starts on a C chord. You can play it like that, 3 notes, but you can put this 4th note in, the G, double the G, the 5th of the chord. Just makes it fuller, that's how I play it. I see you driving round town with the girl I love. That's D7 there. Here's the root position. But I'm moving these two down. I'm playing it there because that's the closest one to that one. You see, it's all about making the chords close together and reducing the amount that you move around. So, C to D7. Girl I love and I'm like F. Forget you. Alright, back to C. So we went C, D7, F, and C. And as with a lot of pop songs, these chords are going to be repeated a lot. So we're going to go around again. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough, and I'm like, forget you. I forget her too, said if I was richer, I'd still be with you. Now ain't that something? Ain't that something? And though there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best with a forget you. Alright, that's the end of that first part of the verse. We're going around those chords again and again. C, D7, F, and C. Here we go, we're going to move forget you. Back to C. I said I'm sorry, I can't afford a Ferrari. D7. But that don't mean I can't get you there. C. Guess he's an Xbox, and I'm more Atari. But the way you play your game ain't fair. I pity the fool who falls in love with you, and oh, she's a gold digger. Just thought you should know. Ooh, 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 yeah. Got some news for you, yeah. Go and run and tell your little boyfriend. Alright, that's the chorus. I pity the fool who falls in love with you, and oh, she's a gold digger. Just thought you should know. Ooh, 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 I got some news for you, and yeah. Run and tell your little boyfriend. Ends on the F again. Bit of unresolved business there, ending on that F. But we're going to go back in. Another verse. I see you driving round town with the girl I love, and I'm like, forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough, and I'm like, forget you and forget her too. But if I was richer, I'd still be with you. Now ain't that something? And though there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best with her. Forget you. Now I know this is a different part. I had to borrow. Same chords though. Beg and steal and lie and cheat. Trying to please you. Trying to please you. 'Cause being in love with you ain't cheap. Different feel there. Same chords, but I'm putting a little bit of rhythm in now. Imagine you're on stage, man. Now I know I had to borrow and beg and steal and lie and cheat. I'm trying to keep you, try to please you, 'cause being in love with you ain't cheap. I pity the fool, yeah, who falls in love with you, and oh, she's a gold digger. Just thought you should know that. Ooh, 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 I got some news for you, and oh, I really hate y'all right now. I see you driving round town with a girl I love, and I forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough. I think that's about the right tempo. Anyway, that goes round again. Forget her too, if I was richer, I'd still be with you. Ain't that something? Pain in my chest, wish you the best with a forget you. That is the verse again, right? Okay, and we're going to go to the bridge chords now. And then it comes in with E minor. Now, baby, 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 don't you wanna treat me so bad? Let's go around those again to be clear. E minor. I'm putting the 7s on always. I will be putting the 7s on minor chords. They will work, and it makes it have a richer, fuller sound. Here we go. E minor, A minor, 7s, D minor 7, to G, And again, E minor, A minor, D minor 7, G. I put the 7s on all those 3 minor chords, E minor 7, A minor 7. You can just play them without the 7s, but I will be putting them on. So baby, 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 why'd you wanna hurt me so bad? G. I tried to tell my mama, but she told me this was one for your dad. Yes, she did. And then we go to D, Y, F, Y, G, Y, lady, yeah. Okay, how does he sing that part? That's the tricky bit. But is D, Y up to F, Y up to G, Y, and then we got A, B, C, C sharp, D. Lady, yeah. Oh, I'm very out of tune now, I apologise. Lady, yeah. It's very difficult to sing that over those chords, but anyway, Y, 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 lady. Oh, I love you, still love you, yeah. Oh. I think G7 works there quite well. Oh, I love you is D, F again. Oh, I love you, F, G, I love you. Whoa, I see you driving around town with the girl I love. And we go back into that. And we go around again with the change in my pocket. If I was richer, I'd still be with you. Ain't that something? Though there's pain in my chest, still wish you the best. Will I forget you? And probably you should finish on a C. Okay, a quick video. I'm going to go around that bridge again. Baby, 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 why'd you wanna hurt me so bad? 'Cause I tried to tell my mama, but she told me this was one for your dad. Yes, she did. Here we go with D. Y, F, Y, Y, the bit I can't sing. Lady, I love you, still love you. Yeah, I see you driving around town with the girl I love, and I'm like, forget you. I guess the chain in my pocket wasn't enough, and I'm like, forget you, and forget her too. Said if I was richer, still be with you. Now ain't that something? I know there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. Will I forget you? Something like that. Good luck with that middle part there. Y, Y. I really don't like that part. I'm not convinced these chords here are exactly right. A, B, C, D, C sharp, D. They probably are, it's just difficult for me to sing that part. But anyway, maybe you'll be better at singing that part. The next song on this pop set is Down Under by Men at Work. Traveling in a Friday combi on a hippie trail, head full of zombies. But you'll have to wait for the next video for that one, because that is for the next video. That one was Forget You, CeeLo Green. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you in the next one. I hope you'll click like and subscribe and comment below if you've got any requests. My name's Dan. This is Between the Keys, and I'm teaching you piano day in, day out. And I shall see you next time. Ciao for now.